Hi guys, welcome back to my channel FIFA Mobile today. So again, I'm going to show you how you can get free players or free item without you have to throw your money into the game. So what you need to do first is tap the store. This is the store page. As you can see, there are 4 options here. So what you need to do is go to event shop, tap it. There are 5 options here. So tap the resource, scroll down. As you can see, this one, daily ad offer or weekly ad offer. Tap, for example, this weekly ad offer, you have you just watch the ad and you get this possible rewards. Training transfer item, get back. There are one more, this one, daily limit 1. It's possible reward some player here. All you have to do is just watching the ads. Let's try this one. I'm going to skip, so I just skip the ads. So what I've got is tap the open. So I've got 2000 20,000 coins. Yeah, it's not bad. Maybe you can try your luck in here, just watching the ads, and you get free items and even free player. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.